What's up? It's Clever Motors. We got this 2011 G37. That's Infiniti. We doing these rotors on real quick. You got locking lugs on here. The car comes with a key. Utilize it. You got a 7mm hex down here. We're gonna loosen this and flip this rotor. This caliper up. Ready? Wait, that's tightened. As I'm doing the rotors, the owner of the car, is working on his doing his oil change. He finally got the filter off. I think he was hitting it with the righty tighty instead of the lefty loosey.
Oh my god.
That oil dirty as hell, bro.
Like 20,000.
Damn, that filter is gone.
Gotta lube up the new one, right? With the old oil?
Yep. Sometimes, depending on the vehicle it is, sometimes I'll fill it up. And I'll fill it up with oil, with new oil, and then put it in. And sometimes I just lube it with the old oil. Okay. These clips come out, and the way they go in there is with these little tabs right here that say the brake pad is in there like this. All right, so you're gonna take your two clips and you're gonna put them in just like that. All right, so now that we got those pads out, we about to hit this 22mm right here. And this one right here. We're gonna pop this caliper out the way. Just put this, we're gonna set this right up here. We don't gotta bang it, so I ain't too worried about it falling. This one popped right out. There goes your new one. The front rotor for this one is 31375 DG for the 2011 G37. So now we got this rotor up. We finna put this bracket back on, tighten everything back down. Put the tire back on, drop the car. Contact your local mobile mechanic, Clever Motors.